Good morning, baby. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
12 o'clock. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Vinay.
Good afternoon.
Antika. Good afternoon, Prabodh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Amaya. Good
Hello.
afternoon. And I don't know your name. Your name is written 5450. Oh, Priyam. Hi, Priyam. And hi, Thanya. Hi, Daksh. Hi, Smitha. Hi, Kushag. Hello, Sorry, what did you say? Hi, Auntie.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Hi, FMS Subbulakshmi. And hi, Abhay. Hi, Sanvi. Hi, Neha. Hi, Zara.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Anush. Hi, Mohammed.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Just wait.
Record again. Record again. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Buddha. You will come in the white. You will come in the white.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Yes. So I was saying, hi Arush, hi Mohammed, hi Leah and Leona, and hi Samaira. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Okay. Hi Advik, how are you? Wow. And what happened to your teeth? What happened? Where are they? Where they have gone? Are they broken? Oh, what are you showing me, Priyam? I can see it. Nice. Hi, Antara. Okay. Wow. You all look so smart and fresh. Wow. That means you all have done brush all by yourself. Hi, Kavya. Yeah. Can someone tell me who all have done brush by themselves today? Who all can? Oh, wow, Krishna. And wow, Yukta. And who else? And Amaya. My goodness. See, I know you all have promised me to brush nicely. Good. So now let me ask you a question. Have you all counted your teeth?
Yes.
Who can tell me how many teeth are there in your mouth? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count. How many teeth do you have in your mouth? Who will tell me first? Who all have how many teeth in your mouth? Count. Count, Riyansh.
32.
32. My goodness. My God. Okay. Have you ever think about our teeth? Just like we need to clean our teeth every day, should we take bath every day? Or is it okay to take bath every day? Is it okay? Do you take bath every day or not?
Ma'am, I have 20 teeth.
You have 20 teeth. What happened to rest of the teeth? Are they broken? At the
Plucked out.
Oh, they got plucked out. Oh, right.
Then there are coming new ones.
Ah, yeah, the new ones are coming. Yeah, I can see. But right now, I can see a small window and a small door in your teeth.
10:39. And then I plucked with my bare hands.
Oh, please don't do that. It will pain so much. Please don't do that. Okay. Now, can someone tell me? Okay. Now, can someone tell me? Our body has some interesting things. Have you ever experienced your breath? If you put your finger down your nose, you can feel your breath. Inhaling and exhaling. In and out. Can you feel the air? Isn't that interesting? Our body.
Yeah, it's like I eat with I get with pepper and salt.
Great. And okay. Now can someone tell me how many glasses of water you have drinking today? Because you know it's very important for our body to drink water. Who can tell me? Ah, Krish, you are a very smart boy, Krish. You always drink a lot of water. That's great. And my God, Abhay, you are drinking just right now. See, I am drinking myself. Drinking water is really nice. Mm.
That was a lot of water.
Good. Now tell me how many glasses? 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass. And Krishna is also drinking.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 8 glasses.
8 glasses and Daksh, how many glasses you have drinking? Shak, how many glasses?
I drink 9 glasses.
Goodness, 9 glasses.
And I drink 250 water.
Myra, tell me how many glasses have you
9
drinking?
glasses.
Wow, see, I have also drinking 10 glasses. Now, my skin will glow, my tummy will never ache, I'll be very strong. So, water.
One jug of water.
Oh, yes. 1 jug of water. My God. Can you all see? Abhay, 1 jug of water. Great. Wow. Now, who can tell me that who has hugged their mama papa in the morning and told, I love you?
Ma'am, please mute everyone. The voice is breaking.
Okay, alright, I'll mute everyone. Alright, I did it. Now, am I audible? Show me thumbs up. Am I audible? Alright. Now, you can just simply raise your hand and tell me who all have hugged their mama papa in the morning. Show me thumbs up. Wow, Kavya, you have done it. And Leah and Leona, you all also have done it. Brilliant, Arush. Brilliant, Advik. Brilliant, Kushagra, Daksh. Amazing, Priyam. So wonderful. Great, wow. Okay. Can you tell me why should we hug our mama papa in the morning and say, I love you, mama papa? You know what? Our mama papa loves us so much. They do a lot of things for us. Mama brings mama cooks tasty, yummy food for us. She makes us study. She brings so many things for us. She helps us in so many things. Papa also brings so many things for us. He plays with us. He does a lot of things for us. So, we say thank you to our mama papa. Right? They do a lot of things for us. That's why we say, I love you, mama papa. Who can shout loudly, love you, mama papa? Who can shout? Yay, shout and hug. I want to see everyone loving their mama. Go, hug. I want to see, go hug. Come on. I want to see, go Advik. Arey wow, very nice, Riyansh. Well done, Prabodh. Oh, well done, Advait. Good job. Well done. See, I told you. Oh, wow, Neha. So cute. Well done, Priyam. Well done. See, you all are so cute and so nice. What happened, Arush? Why are you hiding your face? What happened? Are you playing hide and seek? Oh, okay. Fine. Great, everyone. Great. Because we love our mama papa so much, we know that our mama papa do a lot of things for us. That's why we say thank you. We are grateful for them, right? Okay. Now, so will you promise? Who all will promise that from tomorrow on, you all will in the morning when you'll wake up, first thing, just hug mama papa and say, I love you so much. Who all will promise me? Raise your hand. My goodness, Ayantika, Prabodh, Riyansh, Yukta, so many kids. Tisha, Anvesha, Amaya. Well done, Leah and Leona. Daksh, well done. See? Arush, you all are so smart kids. I love you all. Brilliant. So this is our first promise. This is our first promise. Okay? Now, who all wants to listen a story? Raise your hand if you want to listen a story. Yay! I also want to listen a story. I am raising both of my hands because I really want to listen to a story. Let me quickly share my screen. Can you all see my screen? Show me thumbs up. Oops. Someone did something. I can see that. Okay. All right. Now show me thumbs up if you can see my screen. Okay. Now, do you all know my name? Okay. I know so many of you knows my name. So many of you know my name. But let me tell you once again. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer and I love doing a lot of fun activities with kids. It is my favorite thing. Just like you all wants to do a lot of fun activities every day, every time. That is my favorite thing too. I can do fun activities throughout the day. I can play the entire day. That is my favorite thing. All right. So, story session, awake now. Now today, let's find out Dev learns responsibility. Let's find out how he learns it. Let's see. One day, Dev and Kavi were playing just like they always do. They play. Wow, so fun day. Playing together. It is so much fun. La 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 la. They were playing and kicking ball. Suddenly, Kavi said, "Wait, Dev, I want to tell you something. You know, Dev, I'm really feeling hungry. Let's go and eat something. Today I am feeling, let us eat some, I think maybe cake or chocolates or maybe some chocolate cookies. Wouldn't it be great to eat something tasty like that? Let's find out something. What should we eat?" Then Dev said, "I got an idea, Kavi. Do you know? My mama has made chocolate chip cookies and they are super delicious. Let's go home. I'll make you eat. Come on, come with me. But we have to be quiet so that mama can't see us. Let's quickly go inside." Then both of them went inside, but first Dev got near to the peanut butter choco chip cookies jar. He saw, wow, yummy, super delicious chocolate chip cookies. They look so yummy. I wanna eat it. And Kavi is my friend, and I already learned about sharing. So I will share the choco chip cookies with my friend Kavi. But you know what happened? He got so excited. He didn't. He was not at all careful. And you know what happened? The moment he got close to get the choco chip cookie jar, oh no! It fell down. Boom! All the cookies fell down. Oh no! What happened? Oh my goodness! Now Mama will get so angry on me. What will I do? Oh my God! I'm so scared. Then his friend Kavi came. Oh my goodness! What did you do, Dev? You should be careful. And look, what have you done? All the cookies fell down. Now what will we eat? Oh my God! Now what will happen? Then their friend Uni Didi, colorful, shiny and bright, Uni Didi came. She said, "Hi Dev, hi Kavi, what happened? You both look a bit scared. Does something happen? What happened? Tell me." Then Dev told Uni Didi, Uni Didi, the cookies fell down, but I don't know who did it. Oh no. Uni Didi said, okay, the cookie jar fell down. Now, will you tell me the truth? Who has broken it? Then you know what? Dave got really scared, and instead of telling the truth, he kept quiet and he then said, I think Unity, Kavi has broken it. I didn't break it. Kavi has broken it. She must have broken it. I didn't do it. Then Kavi said, Dave, are you lying? Are you not telling the truth? You have broken it. You came with full excitement to get the cookies for us to eat, and all of a sudden you just lost control, and by mistake the cookie jar fell down. Now you are lying to Unity that I broke the cookie jar. That is so wrong. That is so wrong, Dave. You shouldn't be doing that. Please tell the truth. Unity also said, Dave, see, telling lie is not at all good. You will never get solution. We always look for solution and for every problem. Everyone does mistake. Everyone knows, everyone some or the other day has done mistakes. But if we take responsibility for our mistakes, then we will correct it. And that is how we will get solutions. So, now please tell me the truth, Dave. Who has broken the cookie jar? Tell me. Oh, okay. I'll tell you the truth, Unity. It was me. By mistake, I broke the cookie jar. And I am really sorry not to tell you the truth and to lie to you. I'm really sorry, Unity. I'm really sorry, Kavi. I was framing you. So I'm really sorry about that. I will not do that bad thing again. I have learned my lesson. Then Unity said, good boy, Dave. See, you're such a nice boy, you know. Telling lies will never give you any solution. And now you understood. Now we have got a problem. Look, the cookie jar has fallen down and all the cookies are scattered everywhere. Now we have to look for the solution for this problem. Whenever we have a problem, see, when you have a problem, then we always, what do we do? Tell me, kids, what do we do? Say loudly, we always look for. Say loudly, we always look for solution. Say loudly, we always look for solution. See, Unity showed a solution. Rainbow magic. She said, alright, I will also help you in cleaning the space. It's okay if you did a mistake, but now you are telling the truth. Let us all find a solution and clean this place. Make it neat and tidy. Rainbow magic. And when she showed the magic, Dev and Kavi also got the magic. Now they are also smiling and they are also happy. Yay, thank you so much, Unity. Thank you so much. Now we got the lesson that we should always tell the truth. Even if we are scared, still we should always tell the truth. The end. Now let me ask a very important question to you all. Shall I ask? Show me thumbs up if I should ask a question to you. Show me thumbs up. Yes. All right. So suppose if you are at home and by mistake there is a glass of water or maybe a jar of water, and all of a sudden by mistake it fell down and all the water gets spilled by you. You did it by mistake. Now what will you do? Will you say, oh no, I don't know, I should run away, otherwise mama might get angry on me? Will you run away? Or will you say, I'm sorry, I'll take the responsibility and let me help my mama to clean this space? Show me your left hand if you just run away from getting scared. Or show me your right hand if you take responsibility, you'll say sorry and you help your mama to clean the space. Show me, what will you do? Yes, well done, well done. See how smart kids you are? You know, you all know, right? Well done. We will take responsibility and we will help our mama to clean the space. Because you know what? We all do mistakes, but we can always take responsibility and we always look for solution to correct the mistake. Right, babies? Good job. Okay. Now, who can tell me why should we always tell the truth? Why is it not good to tell the lie? Why is it not good? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Oh, Agam wants to tell. Okay, you can tell. You can unmute yourself. Tell me.
That we don't have to tell lie because ma'am, my friend is there. We don't have to tell lie because we didn't get all. Means we will tell lie. So our friends they will become sad, and their father also.
Brilliant, Agam. That is so nice. You know what? If your friend will tell you, see, suppose he has a chocolate, and if he says the lie, no, I don't have a chocolate because he doesn't want to share to you, will you feel nice? No, we will not feel nice. In the same way, if you will tell a lie to your friend will not like it. That is why we should always tell the truth. And most importantly, we should always tell the truth to our mama papa. Okay, who will tell me? Suppose the example which we have taken, suppose you have broken a jar or water of glass and you are scared that mama will get angry. What will you do? Let me ask Ayantika, what will you do? Suppose if by mistake you have broken a glass, what will you do? Will you get scared and run away? You will not tell your mama? Or will you say, sorry mama, I will help you? What will you do? Tell me. Tell me, Ayantika.
I will tell.
What will you do? You will tell the truth. Will you not get scared? Like mama will get angry. Oh no, Ayantika, you have broken a glass. You will not get scared. Really? Oh, great. What about Amaya? Amaya, tell me, what will you do if suppose you have broken something? What will you do? Will you get scared or will you tell the truth and will you say sorry to mama?
I said mama sorry and I tell the truth.
Really? You will not get scared? Oh, mama will get angry. She might get angry and she might, get very angry that why Amaya you have broken the glass. Really, you will not get this. You will not get scared. Okay, who wants to tell me? Raise your hand. That who will do what? Kavya, would you like? Oh, Advik wants to say. Tell me, Advik. I can't hear you. You are mute.
Okay.
Anya, Prabodh, Kavya, Daksh, Ashwika. Tell me. Zaid and Zahid. Tisha. Tell me. Say, Advik. Come on, give me. What will you do, Advik? Will you get scared? Or will you say, no, I'm sorry, Mama. I have done a mistake, but I will help you.
I'm the mistake, Mama.
Hi, very nice, Advik. Tell me, Riyansh, you tell me. Open your mic. Who all wants to say? They can open their mic. I will listen to everyone. Tell me, who all will get scared and run away? Or who all will say, sorry, Mama, I will fix my mistake. Who all wants to say? You all can say.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to say that
Yes.
when we will broke a jar, we have to tell our mother that we have broken a jar, and first we have to swipe that all
Yes,
water.
you can always tell. First thing,
Please say sorry.
yes. So that means, show me your left hand. Who all will just run away on the spot, and show me your right hand. If you will tell the truth, who all will tell the truth will show me the right hand. Wow, well done. Good job. Okay. Now who all wants to play a game?
Sitting that I know that you told in
So it's a
Hindi
very
class.
simple game. Kavi says and Dev says. It's a very simple game. Kavi
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Okay. Now when Kavi says something, you have to do that thing. And when Dev says stop, you all have to stop. And who all will not stop will get out. Alright? Are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
I know that
Kavi
game.
says
Just stop
Hindi.
dance. Come on, dance. Come on, dance. Stop. I can see Abhay still dancing. Oh, come on. Tanya, you are still dancing. I can see you. Now, Dev says stop. Okay, now Kavi says jump. Jump. Come on, jump. Stop. Oh, I can still see some kids jumping. Ayashi and Advait, I can still see. Alright. Fine. Now Kavi says twist. Come on, twist. Too fast. Twist. Stop. Okay, the last thing. The last thing Kavi says. Yes?
Ma'am said Hindi.
What?
Ma'am, 1 minute I said in Hindi.
Yeah, you can say that.
It's a math penalty for stop करना 2 मिनट आया.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Kavi says to sit and
Yes. Now Kavi is saying.
You plugged into Nirvana.
Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit up. Stop. Okay, now last thing. This is the last. Kavi says, turn around. Turn around.
I want to say poem.
Stop. Wow! Yay! Wow! Clap! Everyone clap loudly! Say hooray! Loudly! Say hooray! Yay! Who all have enjoyed? Show me thumbs up. Who all have enjoyed? I also enjoyed a lot. It was a fun session. Okay, I just want to show you some kids have performed really well activities and they have shared their pictures with me. I just want to share and I just want to show you about kids like Varnika. Just a second. Yes. Yeah.
टीचर अपन वापस से गेम खेल सकते, मजे आ रहे हैं.
All right. Just a minute. Let me just show you few things and then we'll again play. Okay. So Varnika has actually done drawing on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. So Varnika, it's just so beautiful. Can you all see? She has made a
Yes, ma'am. Then
well
small
done.
baby also.
Clap for Varnika. Well done, Varnika. After Varnika, we have got
Ma'am.
Arna. Yeah. Okay. Arna, warrior, and
Ma'am.
she has performed dance. Well
Ma'am.
done, Arna. Yes. Say, baby.
Did you get my photos?
Did you send it just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, baby, I can't take it right now because I'm in a session.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I will definitely take it in the next session. I promise.
Ma'am, I am say to poem.
You have said it. You know what? I will definitely take it in the next session. I promise. And I always keep my promise to my kids.
I wanted to show something.
See, Kavya has done a puppet story. You know what? You can all send me your nice activities like this, and I will share with
Taxi ma'am, I am Africa.
Let me just finish this and then I'll talk. Just give me 5 minutes, okay, baby?
5 minutes.
So, this is Kavya. Kavya has done a puppet story.
अरे चली जाएगी, मिस गुस्सा हो जाएगी कि मम्मी का क्लास है, बच्चों का क्लास है कि मम्मी का क्लास है.
Well done, Kavya. Well done. Please clap for Kavya. Nice, Kavya. That was so
आ
nice.
गई. बोलो.
After Kavya, we have got Inchara. My
चली
God,
गई.
Inchara.
कुंती में तो भाग बोलो.
Painting.
बोलो.
So nice. So creative, Inchara. Well done. Well done,
Hello,
Inchara.
ma'am.
Well done.
आने दो.
Wow. After Inchara, we have got Ayantika. Can you all see Ayantika made up soft models and clean faces?
तुमको ये सब आदत बहुत खराब है.
Ayantika, that is super brilliant. Amazing. It's so creative. Please
Harvard
clap for
creative.
Ayantika. Well done. After Ayantika, we have got Shatakshi. Oh my God, Shatakshi has spoke lines on the Teachers' Day and she has made art and craft. Shatakshi, you're so cute. You're so nice, so smart. Amazing, Shatakshi. Please clap for Shatakshi.
तीनों मिस क्या
Good
बोल.
job, Shatakshi.
इतना मावांटी से कोई
Shatakshi, we
है.
have got Sukhru. He has done lines on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti.
क्या खींच दे, तोड़ दे इसको.
So smart, Sukhru.
महात्मा गांधी.
Brilliant. Good
ये
job.
नहीं.
Good job.
केवढा मोठा भाई.
So nice.
चन्ने.
So,
ఎందుకే కాటి కొట్టదు
you
ఎవరు
all can send me your nice activities. Will you all send me your nice
Yes,
activities?
ma'am. I done everything.
Yes.
Your device
Yes.
is prepared.
You guys are
Ma'am.
so
Yes.
smart.
20 to 25.
Yes.
Ma'am.
You all do great activities and it is so nice to see you are all so smart. So nice activities. I want to see all
I will
your activities.
Craft then show you.
Yeah, I will love to see it. It is so nice. Alright, so we'll just play for 1 more minute, okay?
Ma'am,
Kavi says and Dev says.
चलो गेम खेलेंगे.
next section, in which date it will be there?
I will tell you on the group. There is a
Ma'am.
WhatsApp group. You'll get to see.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
put the number so I can see it.
Sure, definitely, baby. I'll send it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Hmm. Tell me.
in the when the class will end, I want to show you something.
Oh,
What
the
I
class
can
has
do?
already ended, but you know what? You can send your pictures on the Facebook group also. And also, if you want, you can send it on the WhatsApp group.
No, I can. I will take one hand and I can be on one hand. I can hold my body on one hand. I want
Really?
to.
Great. You can send the picture. Please do it and show me in the picture. I'll see it.
I will take a video. I saved a screenshot
Okay. Right.
of
So now Kavi says again.
the number,
Kavi
so
says,
do it in that.
yeah, Kavi says jump up and sit down on the ground. Jump up high and sit down. Jump up high, sit down. Jump up high, sit down. Stop. Now the last one is who can jump on one leg? Jump on one leg. Jump on one leg, 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 jump on one leg. Jump on one leg, jump on one leg. Now change the leg. Change that. Jump on another leg, jump on another leg, jump on another leg. Come on. Yeah. Jump. Stop. Now you guys have promised that you will always tell the truth to your mama papa and you will always hug in the morning to your mama papa. Will you always keep the promise? Two promise. I will ask in the next session. Alright? Show me thumbs up. Who all will do? Good job. Good.
Ma'am, I can do.
How I your mic now. Okay. Now Dev, Kavi and Unity says goodbye. We'll meet in the next session to have a lot of fun. Love you kids. You are super smart kids.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, it was a lovely class.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
And I love you so much. Bye bye. Bye kids. We'll meet soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.